Gilbert, the dignitaries, parents and the students. There in this program is written motivational speech by Dr. Sajid. I am very poor in giving any speech and I won't be able to motivate anybody in anything. Being in government, finding faults in the files, everywhere we go and try to find what is lacking there. But one thing I find here is it is extremely beautifully decorated and totally related to the subject. Which fascinated me at the entrance itself is the picture of Ilayaraja. Ilayaraja is one of the best music directors in the world. A.R. Rahman, of course, he is internationally renowned. But Ilayaraja showed the way to many of the next generation composers how to put music to a film or how to tune songs which will suit the scenes. So that picture itself fascinated me. Then while climbing, the next picture again was another surprise for me. One of the most liked directors of me. Balu Mahendra. Next floor it was Balu Mahendra. And then again, next was James Cameron. I may not have seen any of the Tamil or Malayalam movies or South Indian or Indian movies, but all these movies, Avatar, Titanic, Terminator, sequels, all I have seen. I have no connection with films, but fortunately I work in a department called Directorate of Film Festivals, which is under Government of India, which handles the International Film Festival of India, which is conducted in Goa. Other than my school education, what I learned is classical music. We classical musicians generally have another outlook for films because it is all light and this thing is not a on the stage improvisation or a live performance. We can plan things, we can redo, we can do corrections, then we show it to the public. Whereas performing arts, it's on the stage, whatever goes wrong on stage is there, we can't do any correction. But I have never watched many films, maybe in a year one film.